Former Tamil Nadu Chief Minister Jayalalitha's 69th birth anniversary, and it's the two rival AIADMK factions that are fighting the legacy war. Tamil Nadu Chief Minister Palnisamy held a massive program at the AIADMK headquarters this morning, and Sengotian now will release a souvenir later in the day. Also across the state, free food being distributed, freebies being given by the OPS camp as well. RK Nagar, which is the constituency of Jayalalitha, is where Paneer Selvam is camping with his supporters as well, where you've had functions going on since morning in a bid to take the public approval for this occasion. Also, the third front, as one can say, being opened on Jaya's birth anniversary is by her niece, who made her way to Jaya's memorial in the morning and hinted at a political equation that could be in making between the OPS and her. So if she decides to jump into the political fray, that will be an interesting development to watch out for. Going across to all my colleagues who are joining us this morning, we have Pramod, who is joining us from RK Nagar constituency. We've had Akshita at Jaya Memorial. Akshana joining us from right now the EPS and AIADMK headquarters, in fact, and you've also had Shalini, who's joining us from the OPS residence. Going across first to Akshita, what's the scene at the Jaya Memorial, Akshita? People coming in, pouring their tribute. We saw Deepa making her way earlier in the morning. What about the EPS and OPS camp?
Well, it's expected that O. Paneer Selvam will leave from his residence at about 12 p.m. So he's expected to come here and then head to RK Nagar constituency. Devina, I want to also quickly show you what's happening around me. You see a number of people, a steady flow really of people from all walks of life who've come together to pay their tribute to Jayalalitha. Interestingly enough, they're being given the option of bringing flowers with them. The people here then take the flowers and keep it by the Samadhi. So thereby, of course, they pay their respects in that form. Interestingly, from morning, we've been seeing so many people come here to pay their respects to Jayalalitha. And I'm not just talking, of course, of AIADMK cadre. It really shows the kind of respect and love that the people of Tamil Nadu also had for their Amma. OPS, of course, as I told you, will be here shortly. No word at this point on when Chief Minister Palnisamy will be coming, but there's no doubt that he too will follow suit immediately after Paneer Selvam. Deepa Jaikumar was the first visitor here early in the morning before, of course, she starts off on a slew of events whereby she will announce the name of her front, her political future, what her plans are. She came here to seek Jayalalitha's blessings before all of that. And when we spoke to her, she also, of course, maintained that very soon we'll come to know exactly what her plans are. So interestingly enough, Devina, a lot of political developments on Jayalalitha's birth anniversary, each of them invoking Amma's legacy as well.
All right, Pramod, take us through what's happening around you. You're at the RK Nagar constituency of Jayalalitha, constituency which has voted their leader in power with large numbers every time, and it seems that Paneer Selvam has decided to make his mark with the public over there.
Well, Devina, it's been so long since we saw a crowd like this. Such a mad and friendshipful crowd for Jayalalitha. We eventually thought that after the demise of the former Chief Minister, this crowd had subsided, but that is not true. At RK Nagar, there is this crowd right now that you can see. These are the people who actually were crazy about Jayalalitha. They are over here, and maybe that's the reason OPS chose to be here. Already party's Presidium Chairman Madhusudanan is here as well, along with P.H. Pandian. Then you have the cadres over here, and of course I have to mention about the numerous amounts of gift that has been placed over here. One person, Amma சொல்லுங்க, இந்த உங்களுடைய பழைய மக்கள் முதல்வருடைய 69வது பிறந்த நாள், இத பத்தின உங்க கருத்து என்ன?
அம்மா பிறந்த நாள், அம்மாக்கு வாழ்த்துக்கள். அம்மா ஆட்சியில நல்லாதான் இதுவரைக்கும் நல்லா பண்ணிட்டு வந்தாங்க. அந்த அம்மா மாதிரி யாருமே பண்ணதே கிடையாது.
She says like nobody can replace Jayalalitha, then Jayalalitha is like one person, that's all. அப்ப OPS பத்தி என்ன உங்க கருத்து?
OPS வந்து அம்மா தான் கை காட்டினாங்க. முன்னால ஜெயில இருக்கும்போது அம்மா தான் OPS அவர்தான் இருந்தார் முதல்வரா. அவர்தான் இருக்கணும். அவர்தான் ஆட்சி.
A bit of political knowledge as well, stating that OPS was shown by Jayalalitha as the political heir, and so they will choose him as only political heir, Devina.
Pramod, be with me because I want to go across to Akshay, who's standing at AIADMK headquarters. That is the EPS hub, where we've already seen books released with Jayalalitha's photograph for tribute being paid at the AIADMK headquarters. But is it a nervous moment, Akshay, this morning at AIADMK headquarters with Deepa Jaikumar hinting at a possible political combination with OPS and enjoying a public support?
Well, Davina, let me give you a glimpse of what really was happening inside. Very disappointing turnover one. The number of people who have gathered at the AIADMK headquarters is very minimal, and this is not the kind of crowd that we have seen before or expect at the AIADMK headquarters. This is like the shrine for the people, the followers of AIADMK, and all that we could see was a handful of people here. And secondly, it was seen that all the top leadership who had assembled here were not so enthusiastic as in the kind that we would expect. TTV Dinakaran was there, Edapadi Palnisamy was there, Sengotian was there, Jayakumar was there.
Okay.
But it was seen that all of them were there and they paid their respect and immediately started moving out. The only person who is left there is TTV Dinakaran. We are being told that O Paneerselvam is having a press conference at 12 p.m. and after that TTV Dinakaran will also come out and make a counter statement. But other than this, it's a very disappointing crowd, and it is also seen that the ground support is lacking at the EPS.
So crowds
camp,
dwindling.
and that is very
No
evident at the
turnover.
that we've
No
seen
turnover.
today.
A thumbs down from the public at AIADMK headquarters where EPS camp is, at the OPS camp, RK Nagar constituency, outpouring of people. Let me go across to Shalini, who's standing at OPS residence. We're expecting a news conference in just a bit from now. Shalini, earlier you also reported how Deepa Jayakumar was greeted by outpouring of followers when she made her way to the memorial. So these are two big leaders who are getting public support, and how an EPS camp left far behind as far as the public wave is concerned.
Well, Davina, right now I'm at OPS's residence and we are expecting him to leave any minute. He might make a stop at Marina shortly and after that go to RK Nagar, from where my colleague Pramod has been giving you updates all along. But as of now, everyone is still waiting. What is that big announcement OPS said he
We've
will
had
make
the hint,
today?
Shalini.
What is
We've
the
had the hint with Akshita speaking to Deepa Jayakumar earlier in the morning when she was at the memorial. She said that expect that announcement very soon. I just want the pen that Jayalalitha wrote with, perhaps to write a new political destiny of her own. Who knows? But thanks for joining us, all of you. Continue tracking the latest on this story. Avantika joining you next with more news and updates. Stay with us.